You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all those two names correctly. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. We've got many more coming up at the end of the video. The top word here is pronounced as Remdesivir. Remdesivir. Remdesivir, stress on the second syllable. The bottom word, the bottom name, Regeneron. Regeneron. Again, a stress on the second syllable. Regeneron. So let's summarize. Let's hear them carefully. Listen carefully again to those two pronunciations so you remember them once and for all. Remdesivir and Regeneron. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.